Eddie to Arvin. Arvin to Jasper. Nice rebound by Timmy. Jeric! Wow! Nice handles by Eddie. Nice handles. Versus Merlo. Scorer versus scorer. Rebound to Royce. To Eddie. To Arvin. Binababa po niya Ivan. Nag-iisip kung kanino papasa ang bola. Pass to JK! Wow!
Boom! And one.
Pass!
Foul number 12.
Foul number 12! Foul niya, number 12. Third foul, Jasper.
Uy, nice.
Rebound ni Merlo!
Boom!
Ganun lang, ganun kabilis lang. Yan lang mga bata natin, ha? Oh, nice shot, my man.
Rebound by Mame. Ivan. Si Mame.
Kumakas na po ang laban.
Situation ever.
Merlo versus Ralph. Merlo versus Ralph. Merlo, hinanap si Jeric. Uha! Ito na naman, ang puti. Tumatakbo na naman. Pailang pass break na nila yun. 40-36. Pailang pass break na nila yun.
Marami na. Marami na. Pass break.
Rene, from Merlo, no good. Kuha ni Royce. Ilang rebound ni Royce? 10 rebounds na po si Royce. Arvin. Arvin, nice pass to Royce! Nice pass to Royce!